What's going on, guys? Zan Garage. Me and Charlie are thinking about it, and Halsey. We're thinking about it today.
And I'm driving my car.
An exhaust system, a legit one, because we just had a can on Charlie's bike. So we're gonna do that. So that should be fun. So yeah.
And then my baby.
Gotta go in, eat breakfast.
Ow.
That hurt. Exactly. Ooh, Sandal Squad. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. Yo. Yo.
You know how this works. No music. You guys already had your dance party this morning. I know.
No, we did not, actually. No. Bye.
Bye.
Gotta go.
Yes, I will.
Okay, dude.
What do we do?
That was my nose.
All right.
Bye.
See you guys. Jill says she's dying.
Wait, are they leaving?
Yeah.
Are they leaving?
Decided to extend into a 2 Bloody Mary.
Alright, bye.
Get in the rain. You don't feel. Ah! Not again. Don't play me.
Urban Diesel.
Valido! Valido!
Okay, time to get to work. Now that done with breakfast and everything, could go start this anti-lag system. So basically, I feel like I didn't really explain it, but what the? Oh, this anti-lag system is probably gonna have a can up front, so when he presses his wrong brake, his front brake, it's gonna pull that can or something like that. And so yeah, that's gonna happen, and it's gonna make some pops and crackles, and then he's gonna have this big exhaust system in the back where it makes it. His tires are a little worn out, but not that worn out because he has really thin tires, or not super thin, just like not like big tires. There's stuff will happen. Anyway, so right now I just gotta take this out, and yeah. Okay, I just got this off because that's not gonna be in the same place because we gotta move this seat back, so we're gonna get better exhaust sound. So yeah, I'm gonna move this seat back, and hopefully that works out for us. So yeah. Okay, guys. So what I actually just did is I just moved the seat back, which actually looks way better. Not only does it look better, but it's way more functional now. So yeah, and it's gonna be able to have exhaust stuff right here. So that's gonna be dope. Now, that stuff is our exhaust stuff. Oh, that's one. Yep, it just goes on the back. Here's the other thing. Right there. And then, so we're just gonna put our exhaust on first, and then our anti-lag system. Hopefully the anti-lag system works. So yeah. Okay guys, got the exhaust system on. Not the anti-lag, which will be up here. The exhaust system on. So hopefully this sounds good. So yeah. Oh, Eco Boost. Just have to clean because it's wet. Very nice. Okay. Now we gotta find our anti-lag things. This is the start of the anti-lag system. It's like a flying can go past. That's so stupid. Ooh, backfire. Okay guys, so we kind of went through like a bunch of trouble, well, like work, I'll say, to get this to have an anti-lag system. Unfortunately, it did not work out. And I went with the quietest muffler right now because this one's super obnoxious and you know, it's really easy to switch. You just lift up the seat and put it in. But anyways, yeah, so that one's just out for right now. This sounds really good. It is more low pitch too. Well, at first it is. Anyways, this did not work. And plus, it's probably, since this so shredded, it's probably just gonna ruin the tire, so we're not gonna mess with that. But anyways, we're probably gonna go uptown still.
Where's Enzo?
We're gonna get He's coming soon. We're gonna look for reactions of this thing. So that's the main part of going uptown. We're gonna see what people think of this. So yeah. Anyways, guys, it actually turns out I never did test this muffler. But this one sounds like it has a ton of anti-lag to it. So technically, we succeeded. And going uptown is gonna be super fun because then people are just gonna be
People
like,
are gonna be like,
no, they're gonna be like this. They're gonna like totally turn their head and be like, what the heck?
they're gonna be like an owl.
What the heck? Okay, so yeah, we're just gonna do a few test runs. Yep.
Charlie, out. Stop it.
It's getting started. Let's do this. Don't go backwards though. No, from down the alley. What are you doing? Guys, basically this is actually really good working. It also looks more legit than the other one. Although the other one might be a little louder, this one has anti-lag, which is like 2-step, bro. Got 2-step. Your bike's not 2-step. Here you go. Although you gotta make sure it's in there.
It's crazy. I never thought I would say that my bike has 2-step. Go fast! Why'd you slow down? Connor, why did you slow down?
Oh, you know what? I gotta decelerate. Can't talk. Okay, guys, let's go. There you go.
You ran a 45-second. 2 blocks.
What?
45 seconds, 2 blocks.
There you have it. That's Charlie's new exhaust. You hit VTech or not?
Oh, okay. That's what it's all
heck? Anyways, yeah. So that's it for now. We'll figure out what we're doing next, but for now, that's Charlie's new exhaust. Anti-lag exhaust. Go. Well, look who decided to show up. Enzo Fernandez. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, bye.
Bye.
How's life, Enzo?
Oh.
Are we waiting for him or
Nicholas is here.
what?
Yeah. He came really early, so yeah.
Fine. I'm gonna go get my bike or my.
Okay, guys. We're here out here. There is an S300 right there. Looks really nice. Right there. Hi, Nick. Enzo's got a scooter. Oh!
Okay, wait, let me jump down then. Okay.
Honestly, I will be honest. Those aren't the right shoes. That's gonna hurt if you like. But hi. Yes. See, look, we got the scooter.
Dude, that's my scooter.
Isn't it wet? Is
This
that
is
actually
legit.
like a trick scooter?
Yes, it is.
That's sick.
It's
That's
pretty-
actually cool. Wait, Bugs is cooler though. He's like the money board.
No, what I like is
wheel.
the rainbow wheels. But he does have the lucky scooter wheels.
Got it.
Oh, whee! Pretty good. My scooter's about to die, but that's okay. Anyways,
Vlogging right now?
yeah, I'm vlogging right now.
So vloggers.
After
Dude,
him.
Evan, is this a good bunny hop?
Nick, are you trying to kill somebody right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wasn't it
Enzo, but no, go right after him, Enzo.
That was sick.
I know it was
He
huge.
does it so easily.
Okay, so this is a game of Scoot. Who's winning?
I am. It's
What?
SC
If you're
and
scooting,
nothing.
I want.
Guys, I wonder if this scooter counts. I'm just kidding. Oh, is that tail whip?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. Oh!
Alright, guys.
Oh, wait, does that count? Because you
Oh, yeah. No, I didn't.
okay.
Okay,
Dude, no one's gonna top this.
manual from here to that line.
Oh,
Oh,
my friend skateboard.
who skateboards?
Michael.
That's
Oh,
sick.
shoot. I was doing a small one of those.
Shut up.
Oh, Enzo, you shut up.
No.
Enzo, do a trick. Do a trick. Yo. Enzo, what that? Oh.
Ready?
I guess 180.
Oh, okay, so bunny hop. You guys have to bunny hop now.
Guys, you got bunny hop.
Enzo.
One more try to take you.
What?
Oh, that was sick. Okay, let's see this. Oh.
Real classics like no footer, but
You know what I'll do? Tail whip.
fucking 8.
Oh.
Cigarette
Oh,
butt.
dang.
Can't Max do a cigarette butt? Cigar butt. Cigar foot.
Cigar.
Wait.
No,
Just show me how to do it, man.
Oh.
no, full play.
I know how to do a manual. Okay. I was gonna do something. Oh, okay.
That's cool. That's cool.
That's okay. Okay. This is the pro scooter. Okay. Okay. We're just gonna head back. Yeah. Oh, no brakes. I forgot. Anyways, guys, to conclude this video, we did make it home. Josie's right next to me. Enzo left. I forgot to tell you guys, but Nicholas did leave halfway through the part of when we were it was all scooter gang, like everybody was on their scooter. He left halfway through that. Hi Josie. Anyways, yeah, and then Charlie had to go to hockey. So yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.